Here are some quick tips on how to add a class using an add code. From your web window, type in webadvisor.sccd.edu. Next, click Login and enter your username and password. Once you've entered your login credentials, click on Students menu. From this page, you'll scroll down to Registration and look for the heading Using Authorization Code to add a class. From this window, you'll select the class section number that you're trying to add. Every class that you are signed up for has its own particular section number. So look at in this example, I will use a PE class I want to add, and the section number is 44801. And the add code the professor gave me, or my PE teacher gave me, is 7642. And then I will hit the submit button rather. And I will look and find that it is populated here. That's the correct class, and I will hit, or choose rather, register. And click the buttons, hit submit, and that should add the class to my roster. Looks like I am in, and I will hit OK to finalize, and that is it. I hope this has been helpful to you, and I wish you a very successful semester.